Kavita Singh. On behalf of Himalaya School, we heartily welcome you all our adorable students on this joyful and gracious occasion. It is the best way to commemorate you and rejoice the best moments of childhood. This day makes us feel happy, proud, and responsible towards our country. We celebrate this day to remember the great soul and to remind the responsibility of being the future youth of this country. This celebration also aware people to take care of their children. I wish for the great success of this celebration. Celebration begins with an invocation song, fashion shows with the group dances, and so on. Stay tuned and let's get going.
ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚರಿಸು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟರೇನು ಆ ದೈವದಾಗೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ
दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा, मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपनी ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शाम आना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन। दिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामें गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा। हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ। दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन। కోరుకున్నా కోరికల వాలన్నా, చేరువైనా చీకల పాలన్నా, చెదిరిన కలయినా విడువను కలనైనా। జగతిని కోరుకున్నా కోరికల వాలన్నా, చేరువైనా చీకల పాలన్నా, చెదిరిన కలయినా విడువను కలనైనా। జగతిని
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಂದರೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಂದರೆ ಹರುಷ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಲ್ಲದ ಮನೆಯು ಸೆರೆಮನೆಯು ಕಹಿನಗರ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಂದರೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದಲೇ ಬದುಕು ಮುಗ್ಧತೆಯ ಸೆಲೆಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನವೆಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯ, ಚಿನ್ನರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಂದು ಹಾಡುವೆವು ಶುಭಾಶಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನವೆಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯ, ಚಿನ್ನರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಂದು ಹಾಡುವೆವು ಶುಭಾಶಯ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನವೆಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯ, ಚಿನ್ನರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಂದು ಹಾಡುವೆವು ಶುಭಾಶಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನವೆಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯ, ಚಿನ್ನರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಂದು ಹಾಡುವೆವು ಶುಭಾಶಯ.
Hello children, how are you all? Happy Children's Day. So, today, as you all know, we are going to celebrate Children's Day, right? And I'm going to tell you what is the importance of Children's Day, what is the significance of Children's Day. Okay? So, on November 14th, every year, Children's Day is celebrated all across India. It commemorates the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru, who due to his love for children was fondly known as Chacha Nehru. You all know Chacha Nehru, right? Yes. The day emphasizes on the importance of giving love, attention and affection to children. The children of today will make India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country, said Chacha Nehru. Nehru was a very strong advocate of the importance of education. When it came to children, he was involved in establishing All India Institute of Medical Science, the Indian Institute of Technology, the Indian Institutes of Management and National Institute of Technology. On this day, schools and colleges are organizing the cultural programs and functions and events. And many times teachers also participate in these functions in order to show their love and affection for children. In India, November 14th started being celebrated as Children's Day only after Nehru's demise in 1964. Prior to this, much like other countries, Children's Day was celebrated on November 28th. That is the Universal Children's Day declared by the United Nations. So we Indians only celebrate on 14th November because it is Chacha Nehru's birthday. That is why we celebrate on 14th November. Otherwise, all across the world, the Children's Day is celebrated on 28th of November. But we are celebrating on 14th because we celebrate the birthday of Chacha Nehru. Yes, so it's your day. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye.
Diwali's essence lies on the shloka Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, which means lead me from darkness to light. Similarly, we have to light the lamp of happiness, the lamp of prosperity and lamp of knowledge to dispel sorrow, poverty as well as disease. Let this Deepavali bring joy and happiness abound for humanity by dispelling the darkness of ignorance and many more evils that are creating havoc in mankind. Wishing you all a very happy Deepavali.